I made close to $14,000 last month and sold over 4,000 products on TikTok Shop, and I've got some lessons that I want to teach you on how you can do that too. Part 2. I'm not one that likes to brag about their income, but I had to show you this to prove that I know exactly what I'm talking about. So this was on my other account that I have over here on TikTok. So I'll link it here so that you guys can see it. But this is what I've learned from being on TikTok Shop that most people are not talking about. Now, tip number 1 is that you need to make sure that you have a very strong call to action. Telling your audience to click the link below is definitely one that has worked really, really well for me. A softer call to action hasn't worked that well. Now, if content like this is helpful, definitely make sure you like and follow because my entire channel is set up to help moms monetize our media scroll. And then make sure you save this video for when you need it. Now, tip number 2, when you do have a video that takes off, it's really important to message the seller of this product because you are going to then go and ask for an increased commission. Yes, that's a real thing and the sellers will do it. I will basically go to them and tell them that I've had this incredible video and would you give me an increased commission because I want to make more videos to help support and promote your product. And every single one of them has done that for me. And tip number 3, what I have found that really continues to boost the video is when you have that video and people are commenting on it, what you want to do is you want to reply to some of the comments in the video. That's going to boost the first video and then the second video. So while yes, TikTok affiliate is amazing, I have personally found the best affiliate offer for a health and wellness line because it gives me the lifetime value of my customer, which means I get a commission on every single order. It's not a one and done like it is over here on TikTok Shop. I'm also gonna make a part 3, so make sure you follow along for part 3 because there are a few other tips that I have for you.